In today's video, I have a lovely guest, Natalie from Bitcoin Census, and she is a TA mastermind. I'm gonna let her introduce herself as well in a second. But yeah, last video we did, Bitcoin was, it looked like it was gonna break out on a bull flag, but it broke to the downside. But now we saw this huge recovery. But Natalie can talk about that. So Natalie, thank you so much for joining my channel. And yeah, give yourself a nice intro.
Thank you so much for being here. Hope everything is great. So my name is Natalie, and I have been in trading overall. I'm very into crypto right now, but I've been in trading since 2018, and I am a very technical person when it comes to it. I only use price action, and the only indicator that I use is Fibonacci. So I don't use any indicator outside that. So I am super, super technical. And that is also something that I teach on my channel for everyone that's joining. And so, yeah.
Wow, that's awesome. I mean, yeah, I think people can have multiple different indicators on the chart, but when you keep it simple, you can see more. I think so. That's awesome. And the link below is for Natalie's channel as well. She has some great content, so make sure to give her a subscribe and check out her content. So Natalie, would you mind sharing your screen and showing us some of your TA and what you think? Okay, awesome.
So the overview that I see right now on BTC is, of course, we created a lower low because remember now I'm super technical. So I'm using all of these different high highs, high lows, etc. terms. And the market had the impulse to move, and we did stop at a previous support at 16,300. Okay. And what I do believe is that from where we're at right now, based on the previous lower high combined with the lower low, I use Fibonacci with everything. I love Fibonacci. People on my channel call me Fibonacci Queen because I use it on every time frame. So the overall, I do believe that we can continue to much more lower targets, but at the moment we are preparing ourselves for the pullback, and this is something that we've been seeing for a while, and this is the reason why the market has been going sideways too. And as you also see, and right now when we're talking about
Wow.
it, we are breaking above oh yeah, we're
Oh
going
my
up.
God. Okay.
This is amazing, amazing. So the overall target that I see that we can potentially come to is the weekly Fibonacci that we have around 18,470 and 19,210. And we do have the big momentum right now. And the same thing that we spoke about earlier was that we had this huge drop before we saw this huge momentum. And what I've learned through the years is that BTC, and everyone knows that Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, they're very volatile, and we see a lot of fake outs everywhere. So usually what the market is doing is that the market is giving us a fake out. In this case, we saw the fake out from the support only to, make people think that we will go to lower targets. But in real, we actually saw the market also retested another Fibonacci level, and based on my fib, take profit 2 just got hit. And I do believe that we will continue actually higher right now because this is such a strong candle. The most important thing that I usually say when the market is breaking one of these levels, a trend line level especially, is that the candlesticks after the breakout candle, we need to look at it very, very carefully, because that's usually the fake out candle. And then you see the market close inside of the range that we broke. But I'm not sure exactly what's going to happen from here now, because we see the market obviously have the volatility that broke out of the trend. But the overall target that I see right now is that we just might have a push, as I said, up to 18,400. And the overall movement based on that Fibonacci is that we first of all can come back down to the previous resistance that we have at 13,800. We have take profit 2 at the previous resistance too. If we just go back to the left, you can see that this is a strong level, and that is around 10,800. And if we drop even more, because people have to know about Fibonacci, everything is built up with when it comes to the charts, and Fibonacci, it's just go hand in hand. So we also have 8,000, and I strongly believe if we see that the market is reaching 1210K, I do believe that we can have a slippage through to 8,000 too, because as we spoke about earlier, is that we have so many fake outs. So if we are coming to 10, most likely we'll see a wick to 8, and then potentially, hopefully, I do believe that the market then will reverse to the upside from here. And with
Wow.
yeah, so that's what I believe. I'm very heavily, of course, when it comes to market structure, when it comes to price action, and back testing before the market is usually following these patterns.
Yeah, I mean, awesome. I love the fib as well. I don't show it too much in my videos, but again, the golden pocket is very important. I really like the 38.2 as well. But yeah, I mean, it's awesome what you have here. You're clearly a fib trader, which is awesome. But yeah, it's crazy that Bitcoin is breaking out so heavily right now as well. But
Yeah.
yeah, thank you so much, Natalie. Any other stuff that you'd like to add, or it's
So
cool?
yeah, no, not on BTC, not on BTC. You see, we do have the reverse right now, but we
Yeah,
just have to
exactly.
wait and see. So yeah, this is what I see right now on BTC.
Wow, awesome. Thank you so much, Natalie. Really happy to have you on. Ooh, wow. Okay. Really happy to have you on the channel.
Thank you.
And yeah, make sure to check her channel out, guys, because she is super technical. On my channel, I don't go super too technical because, I don't want to overbore people with so many indicators, etc. It's just like snappy, quick, get the news out, do short technicals. But yeah, Natalie's the person for full deep dive analysis. So make sure to check her channel out. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Natalie, for coming on. Again, her
Thank you
link
so
to
much.
her channel is in the description, so make sure to check it out. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day, guys, and see you in the next video. Thank you, Natalie. Bye
Thank you
bye.
so much. Thank you.